Shubhodaya bachcha. Okay. In the last class, I explained about Hindi Divas lesson. Introduction part is over, as well as half of the lesson is completed, and I gave you some meanings also in that. Okay, and explained you the lesson and which type of lesson also I said that it is Samvad. Samvad means what? Vartala, and a conversation between two or more than two people. Conversation between two or more than two people, that is Samvad. Different types of lessons will be there, I told you. One is like a story, the other one is like a conversation, Samvad, Kahani, like that. Okay, biography, autobiography, व्यक्तिगत जीवन के बारे में लिखना, ऐसा बहुत तरीके के लेसन्स होते हैं, पार्ट होते हैं. तो इसमें in this one is I told you which type of lesson is this. This is which type of lesson? Samvad. That means conversation between two girls, school boy girls. दो लड़कियां स्कूल जाते हैं और उनके बीच में जो बातचीत हुआ है उसके बारे में इसके पाठ है. तो इसमें क्या बताया मैंने? What is explained in the last lesson? Hindi Divas. Hindi Divas, how we celebrate Hindi Divas, and when it is confirmed as a national language, and Rajbhasha also will say Rajbhasha, Rashtrabhasha. The constitution confirmed it as a government language, Sarkari Bhasha. Rajbhasha means Sarkari Bhasha. Difference is there between Rajbhasha and Rashtrabhasha. Rajbhasha means it's a government declared what we say language. Government declared language. That means whatever the notice will get from the central government, that notice will be in Hindi only. Okay, whatever they want to send the notice about like to declare when the schools should start, when what has the schemes should be applied for the people, all these will be they will give in one notice which will be in Rajbhasha. That means government declared language only. And Rashtrabhasha means out of all the languages, one language will be declared as the major language. That means all must learn that language, and wherever they go, they can use this language easily. The people can understand. So at the time of freedom fighter, I want to tell you about the story of this Rashtrabhasha. Why it is declared as Rashtrabhasha and Rajbhasha? Why means at the time of freedom fighter, this Gandhiji wants to give so many speeches to the people. He wants to gather all the people for the freedom fighter. But what happened? He used to speak in a English language, international language. But the people of all India, they don't know about English. So no one gathered, and they didn't listen his words. So he think that what we have to do to gather all the people, क्या करना चाहिए? 1949. Okay, in Chennai they started one constitution, that is started one institute, that is Dakshin Bharat Hindi Prachar Sabha. So in South India, this is in South India, Dakshin Bharat Hindi Prachar Sabha they started in where they started in Chennai. So like that they spread in all the places this Hindi language and declared as a national language, that is Rashtra Bhasha and Raj Bhasha also we can say. I told you know Raj Bhasha means a government declared language. All the notice will come in a Hindi language only. So that is the difference between Raj Bhasha and Rashtra Bhasha. Okay, once I go through, we'll finish the lesson and explain, and I'll explain the whole lesson again. हमारे I told you know those two girls are there. What are the names of those two girls? Sarita and Rosie. And here see Sarita, she said that Hindi दिवस 14 सितंबर को ही क्यों मनाते हैं? This Sarita is asking Rosie को पूछ रही कि क्यों हिंदी दिवस 14 सितंबर को ही करते हैं? Why we celebrate हिंदी दिवस on 14th November or 14th September? September means September. September means September. Okay, why we celebrate on 14th September? 14. Why we celebrate on 14th September only? She had a doubt, so that she asked Sarita asked Rosie. So that Rosie is giving reply. हमारे अध्यापक ने बताया था कि 14 सितंबर 1940 means 1949. These are the Hindi numbers. 1949 को संविधान में हिंदी राजभाषा के रूप में अपनाई गई. संविधान means constitution. What will be there in the constitution? संविधान. Constitution. See, they wrote one book in the Constitution. We have one book. What will be there in that book? How to rule India. How to rule India. Some articles will be written on in that book. The government should follow only those rules. Whatever written in that book, in Constitution it will be there. Whatever written in that book, they have to follow those rules. So in this book, this is also entered as Rashtra Bhasha on 14th September 1949. So on that day they declared this one. Okay. So that is the thing. Samvidhan means constitution. It is to how to rule the book. The book that will be written in that book. That's why we celebrate this Hindi Divas on 14 September 1949. Then Sarita said, समझ गई. समझना means understanding. समझ गई. इसलिए हर साल इस दिन हिंदी दिवस मनाया जाता है. That's why every year we celebrate Hindi Day. Okay? I told you know like Hindi Day, there is Telugu Day also, like on August 29th. Telugu Day is there, Hindi Day is there, English Day is there, and we have one अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हिंदी दिवस. Okay, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हिंदी दिवस means international Hindi Day, which is celebrated on January 10th. International Hindi Day. That means here, why we are saying International Hindi Antarashtriya Hindi Divas? Because here some states, some countries, they also wants to learn. They also used to speak in Hindi. They understood. They easily understand that, and they also declared once as a subject in their countries. So that's why we are saying that Antarashtriya Hindi Divas, and it is celebrated on January 10th. Okay, इसलिए हर साल इस दिन हिंदी दिवस मनाया जाता है. That's why we celebrate Hindi Day every year. लेकिन हिंदी को ही देश की राजभाषा क्यों चुना गया है? I told you why we selected Hindi as a national language. सरकारी भाषा क्यों ऐसे गवर्नमेंट लैंग्वेज why is selected like that? What is the reason behind this? This girl is asking. Who is asking that, ma? Who is asking? Sarika. Asking to Rosie. Rosie को सरिता पूछ रही है. तो रोजी ने जवाब दिया कि क्योंकि हिंदी बोलने वाले हमारे देश में सबसे अधिक है. See, I told you, so many people are there in our country, those who speaks Hindi a lot. So that's why the government, the constitution declared Hindi as a Raj Bhasha. Here, Adhik means more. So many people are there, those who speaks Hindi in our country. Desh means country. Desh means country. Okay, that's why this is declared. लेकिन तुम भी तो बताओ, तुम भाषा में क्या कहोगी, भाषण में क्या कहोगी? What you will say in the speech? भाषण means speech. भाषण, speech. So what you will say in your school in the speech about this Hindi Divas? So Rosie is asking to her friend Sarika. Okay. See, most of the people, if they wants to go to other places to do some jobs and all, but they don't know how to speak Hindi. They will be very qualified, highly qualified. They are highly qualified and all, but they don't know how to speak Hindi, and they suffer a lot after going there. Slowly they used to learn Hindi in 2 or 3 months. They used to learn. Why only 2 or 3 months? Why? Because it's a very easy language to us to learn and to speak also. So that's why rather learning at that time, why can't we learn from childhood onwards? Why can't we learn from school days onwards? It's very useful. Now you are having a Hindi subject also, so that if you keep on practicing speaking with others, then you will be easily get rid of this problem when you grown up or go to other states. Other states. Okay. So here also Rosie is asking Sarita that what you will give speech in your school. Sarita said, तो सुनो, अभिनय करते हुए बताती. She is doing acting. अभिनय means acting. Abhinay means give respect to our who the guests, those who come, and our headmaster, whoever it may be, the authorities if they are there on the stage. First we must wish them. We must give respect them and we must wish them. This you must remember. Whenever we start the speech, we must do that thing. Here also she did the same thing. Pradhanadhyapak, see here, so many people children are there in this. So many children are there. Here one girl is giving speech, and here so many elders are there. Those who are teachers, like that Pradhanadhyapak, the headmaster, teachers, all those are there. So this girl is giving speech. Pradhanadhyapak ji means who? Principal or headmaster. We can say principal or headmaster. Okay, mostly headmasters only will use for that word. Pradhanadhyapak. Pradhanadhyapak means headmaster. Gurujano. Gurujano means teachers. Gurujano means teachers. Bhaiyo or behno, brothers and sisters. You will treat your friends as you will have friends, and you will treat the remaining children as brothers and sisters. No, so that she said the first words like that. आप सबको हिंदी दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं और हार्दिक बधाई. हार्दिक means heartily. हार्दिक. हार्दिक बधाई. Heartily congratulations. Heartily congratulations. Okay, so if anyone succeeded in their life, will we go and wish them, no? Congratulations, you did like this. So that words we use in Hindi, हार्दिक बधाई or हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं, we can say. हार्दिक means here heartily, बधाई means congratulations. Okay, so here the what is the day? Here the day is Hindi Day. So that this will celebrate not only one, all will celebrate in the school. That means the teachers will celebrate, children will celebrate, all the people in the school will celebrate this day. So that this girl is giving wishes, greetings to all the people, those who are there. Okay, आप सबको हिंदी दिवस की हार्दिक बधाई. हिंदी हमारे देश की राजभाषा है. She is saying that Hindi is a राजभाषा to our country. That means it's a government declared language to in our country. देश means what is our country or what is the name of our country? हमारे देश का नाम क्या है? हमारे देश का नाम भारत है. तो हमारे भारत में इसे राजभाषा के रूप में अनुमति दी गई है, नहीं तो अपनाया गया है. इसे सीखना हमारे लिए बहुत जरूरी है. It is declared as राजभाषा as well as राष्ट्रभाषा. So all must, the people in the country, all must learn this language, and all must practice, all must speak in this language. Okay, zaruri means compulsory. Certainly. Certainly. Zaruri means certainly. So all must speak in this language. ఖచ్చితంగా అందరూ ఈ భాషలోనే మాట్లాడాలి. सरिता ने भाषण में और क्या-क्या कहा होगा? What she spoke still in this language. Maybe she spoke about the why it is declared as a Hindi Day, and बातें हुए हैं वह यहाँ उसके बारे में दिया गया। ओके बच्चों, तो यहाँ पे कौन कौन है, दोनों लड़कियां कौन कौन है, रोजी और सरिता। तो ये दोनों पाठशाला जाते थे। तो पाठशाला में एक बार ये दोनों एक रास्ते पे मिले थे। These two met in one place. So there what happened, the discussion went on between these two girls. One girl asked that we are celebrating Hindi Day in our school. Why are we celebrating Hindi Day in your school? She asked. No, she said that. The other girl said that no, I don't know about this. She said, okay, we are celebrating, and what is the thing in that? I tell you now. I want to learn one song also about this Hindi Day. I want to present in front of the children and the authorities, those who are there. So she teach one, the other girl teach the song. What is that? हिंदी सीखो, हिंदी बोलो, हिंदी को अपनाओ, आओ सब मिलकर गाओ, हिंदी दिवस मनाओ। Once again I am repeating, हिंदी सीखो, हिंदी बोलो, हिंदी गाओ, हिंदी बोलो, हिंदी को अपनाओ, आओ सब मिलकर गाओ, हिंदी दिवस मनाओ। You also must learn these two lines, and whenever the Hindi Day is conducted in your school, you must sing this song. Okay children. Then what happened? She said that we are conducting Hindi Day on September 14th. Why you are celebrating on September 14th only? क्यों 14 सितंबर को ही हम हिंदी दिवस मनाएं? उसमें क्या है उसमें, क्यों उसी दिन हम मनाते हैं हिंदी दिवस? तो दूसरी लड़की ने पूछा था। ऐसे पूछने से एक दूसरी लड़की जो है उसने कहा कि क्योंकि संविधान में 14 सितंबर 1940, 14 September 1949, they declared as Hindi Day. That's why we are celebrating this as a Hindi Day, declared as a Rajbhasha, national language, government language. They declared it as a national language, as a government language. That's why they are celebrating on this day. Okay, then what happened? So I understood what you said. What will do on that day? What the things will happen in the school? She asked. Then she said, the other girl said, we conduct so many competitions in the school. बहुत से प्रतियोगिताओं का आयोजन करते हैं हम, और जैसे चित्रलेखन, elocution, debate competitions, essay writing, such type of giving speeches, भाषण देना, ऐसे प्रतियोगिताओं को हम आयोजित करते हैं। कुछ खेल कूद होता है, खेलों का प्रतियोगिता होती है, ऐसे सब कुछ प्रतियोगिताओं को हम आयोजन करके will conduct these such type of competitions, and on the Hindi Day we will give prizes on that day. The guest will come, अतिथि लोग आते हैं और क्या करते हैं, उनको उपहार देते हैं। जो भी पहले आते हैं, जो भी प्रथम आते हैं, उनको वे लोग उपहार देते हैं। They give the prizes to the people, children, those who come first. And then she asked, why we celebrate? Why it is who confirmed this as a Rajbhasha, national language? Then she said the Constitution confirmed it as a संविधान में जो लोग होते हैं वो लोग इसे राजभाषा के रूप में अपनाया गया। The people, those who are in the Constitution, they declared it as a national language. And again the other girl get the doubt that why they selected this as a national language. Why? Because so many people in our country, the people those who are in our country, those people, most of the people will speak Hindi well. They can understand easily. So that the government declared it as a national language. बहुत से लोग, अधिक लोग हमारे देश में जो रहते हैं, वो सब लोग हिंदी आसानी से बात करते हैं और आसानी से speech will you give? Then she said, okay, I'll give the speech like this with acting. She did the acting and she said, प्रधानाध्यापक जी एवं गुरुजनों, भाइयों और बहनों, सबको मेरा प्रणाम. That means giving, she is respecting the others, those who are on the stage and those who are outside the stage. Okay, Pradhanadhyapak ji means I told you, the who is that headmaster, respected teachers, headmaster and the children, like that we will say no. So that one. She also say the same thing. Then she started her speech. Today we are going to celebrate Hindi Day. First of all, I want to congratulate all. मैं आप सबको, सबसे पहले मैं आप सबको हिंदी दिवस की हार्दिक बधाई देना चाहती हूँ. तो आज हम हिंदी दिवस को मनाने जा रहे हैं. हिंदी हमारे देश में राजभाषा के रूप में अपनाया गया. All this is speech what she gave, I am saying. Okay, हमारे देश की राजभाषा के रूप में हिंदी को अपनाया गया. तो इसीलिए हम इसे सीखना जरूरी है. All must learn this language. So this is the lesson of third one, Hindi Divas. Maybe I hope that you all understand the lesson. Okay. Okay, children, do you understand what I said? Do you understand what I said? So who are the two people in this? Sarita and Rosie. I showed you know these two girls are Sarita and Rosie. So the conversation went on. जो भी बातचीत संवाद चला है इन दोनों के बीच में हुआ है. सरिता और रोजी के बीच में, ये दोनों के बीच में ये हुआ है. और अंत में क्या हुआ है? यहाँ पे कौन भाषण दिया है? सरिता ने यहाँ पे सब जनों के आगे खड़े होकर भाषण दिया. तो मैं भी यही आशा रखती हूँ कि आप सब लोग हिंदी दिवस के वक्त, whenever we celebrate Hindi Divas, you must participate. All must try to participate in the competition. Okay, children. So this is the thing. What is? I hope that you will participate when we conduct the Hindi Divas in the coming months. September month it is there. Hindi Divas is there. If the schools reopen, then we will try to celebrate this one. Okay, ma. So this is about the Hindi Divas. Don't forget, ma. Whatever the meanings I gave you on the board in this video, it is recorded now. So you learn those meanings. Okay, these are the meanings. Not only these, in the last video also some meanings I gave. Here you can see Pradhanadhyapak, headmaster, gurujanon, teachers, hardik badhai, hearty congratulations, jaruri, certainly. Antarrashtriya Hindi Divas. Rashtriya Hindi Divas is celebrated on September 14th na. Okay, but Antarrashtriya Hindi Divas is celebrated on January 10th. Remember this point also. International Hindi Day is also celebrated on January 10th. So I hope that you understood the lesson and you will learn the meanings. In the next video I will explain